Hi everybody, it's Marcy and welcome to day 4 of the collaboration between Dearjuliejulie and Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations. Today, for day 4, we are using this sheet of digitals from Dearjuliejulie. We've got these 3 cards and a postcard here. And then from Cara, we have this neat triangle envelope along with some labels and a ticket, butterflies, and a couple of circles, one of which is the wooden nickel, which I absolutely love. Okay, so here's what I've done. Over here, I used a piece of Cara's collage paper from day 3 and used that as a sort of as washi tape, sort of down the side of the page. And here I've got Cara's triangular envelope with one of the labels, and I've got the wooden nickel right there and the butterfly. And in the pocket, I cut out Julie's postcard, but I loved the way it looked, and when I cut it out, I fussy cut around some of the flowers. I don't know if you can really tell. Sure you can. On here, it's easier to see how the flowers actually hang off the edge. So I left that to give it some texture and dimension, and I loved the way that looked. So I just inked around the edges and put that right in there, and I put this pocket on a hinge so you've got room here that you could journal on. The page I may actually add more to, but I don't know what yet. But that's what I've done on this side. And then on this side, I've got these beautiful irises from Dearjuliejulie. I made an envelope using Cara Brandon's day 3 collage paper and put these irises on top along with Cara Brandon's butterfly. I made a little dangle at the bottom using Cara's circle. I've got more of the collage paper over here on the edge, so they are unified. And then this flips open as well. And again, this part of the page is blank. I could either leave it blank for writing space. I'll decide that later for certain. Then inside the envelope, I used a greeting card that I had. I lined the inside to give lots of journaling space, left the back blank, and on the front, I laid down some lace and this Dearjuliejulie card, and then I stitched around the edges. So that tucks right in there. And that is my 2-page spread for day 4. I'm loving the way this is all looking together. And I'm not doing anything difficult, but I'm trying to build my journal as I go. And I will be, like I said, I will be adding more stuff. After the 7 days, I'll finish up the journal. So that's it for day 4. I did have a few pieces left over for day 4, and those will go into my box, and I may use them either later or on another day. And so until tomorrow, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.